Struggling to get clients for your house cleaning business? You're not alone. But here's the good news. I'll show you how to book your first few jobs fast, even if you're just starting out. Start with friends and neighbors. Let them know you've launched a cleaning service. Offer a discounted first clean in exchange for reviews, referrals, or social media shares. This approach builds instant credibility and trust. Use Facebook local and community groups to reach potential clients. Post before-after cleaning photos and offer special deals for locals. Include a clear call to action like, "Message me to book your $99 first clean." List your business on Google Business, Gumtree, Airtasker, and OneFlare. Ensure your listings include service areas, prices, and great photos. Offer a simple referral bonus. Refer a friend and get 50% off your next clean. Getting clients doesn't have to be hard, you just need the right strategy. By leveraging your network and online platforms, you can attract clients quickly. Download our free toolkit below to get scripts, templates, and access to our AI tools that make client getting easy. Let's make your cleaning business thrive together.